When it comes time to replacing an outlet, a light fixture, or a light switch, there is nothing worse than walking over to your electric panel and finding out that your breakers are either not labeled or are labeled but don't have the full details of every single outlet or light switch. I'm going to show you the easiest way to find what breaker inside your panel controls that outlet, light switch, or light fixture you are wanting to replace using this Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder. The kit, which I will link down in my description so you can pick one up, includes the digital circuit breaker finder, a transmitter that also acts as an outlet tester, a bare wire transmitter extension. It also has a 2-prong to 3-prong converter, and you can also plug this into your light fixture bulb socket in order to plug these two together and find where that light fixture is in your breaker panel. And of course, it includes the manual. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab your transmitter outlet tester and plug it into the outlet. And when you notice, it actually lights up, indicating that the outlet is live. It also shows you what each one of those lights mean. So right now, both orange amber lights are telling us that it is correct wiring. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take our digital circuit breaker finder and we're going to go over to our breaker panel. And then what you want to do is you're going to press the power button to turn on the circuit breaker finder, and then you'll start hearing that audible beeping sound that when you get close to the breaker that you're wanting to find, it's actually going to get louder. So you take your digital breaker finder and you're going to go down your breakers. And see, it starts getting faster when you get close to the breaker, and when you find it, it starts to make that really loud beeping and consistent beeping and the red light. So that right there tells us that that's the breaker we need to turn off. So we go ahead and turn off the breaker, and we'll go check and verify that it's actually off with the outlet tester. And now that we're back here in the outlet that we wanted to turn off, you can see that the lights are off, indicating that the breaker is off. So now you'll be able to replace the outlet with no problems at all. But what about wanting to turn off the breaker to an actual light fixture? In order to find out what breaker controls this light fixture, we're going to take our bulb outlet socket and we're going to plug the 3-prong to 2-prong converter into the socket like so. And we're going to plug this into the bulb socket of the light fixture. And we're going to take our outlet tester transmitter and we're going to plug it in to the outlet of the light socket. Now we got to make sure we turn the light on. And we see that the transmitter is lit up, indicating that we can go over to the breaker panel and use our breaker finder to track that one. So back at the breaker panel, we're going to turn on our digital breaker finder. And we're going to go up and down to find what breaker that light switch is connected to, or light fixture. Again, you start seeing the red light and the rapid beeping. So we'll go ahead and turn off the breaker. And back at the light fixture, you can see that it is in fact disconnected. So now you can start your work on replacing the light fixture. If you want to find what breaker your bare wires are connected to, you're going to use the alligator clips to outlet extension, and you're going to plug in your red clip into the hot, and you're going to plug your black one into the neutral or ground of the outlet or the bare wire area. Then you're going to take your transmitter and you're going to plug it in to the outlet. And then you're going to take your digital circuit breaker finder to the breaker panel to find what breaker controls these bare wires. And that, my friends, is how easy it is to locate a breaker inside your breaker panel using the Klein Tools digital breaker finder. Whether you're a new homeowner or an existing homeowner that is tired of flipping every single breaker one by one to find the correct circuit, this Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder is a must-have in your toolbox that I highly recommend. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody you think might find it informative and useful. And again, if you use the link that I provide to the kit, I get a small kickback at no cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.